The top 3 best steam cleaners 2023. One of the best steam cleaners is sure to be an upgrade on your mop and bucket setup with features to ensure a truly deep clean for your home. Hugely popular and perfect for those looking to eradicate dirt and grime at a deeper level. Once you've enjoyed the benefits of these mops, you won't want to go back to cleaning without them. Plus, because they clean using such high-powered steam, these neat mops are perfect for cleaning and sanitizing a whole host of surfaces in your home, not just floors. To get the most from your money, invest in a mop with attachments to get into a whole load of hard-to-reach spots like your hobs or behind your fridge. We've reviewed the steam cleaners that you'll find below so that we can give you our honest findings on which type will suit you best. After you've given your home a once-over with the best vacuum, one of these cleaners is sure to become a surefire staple in your cleaning routine. Number 3. Karcher SC2 Easy Fix Steam. The Karcher SC2 Upright Easy Fix is powerful and easy to control. It doesn't come with carpet attachments, but its stick-style design is reminiscent of a cordless vacuum cleaner, which is very pleasing for those who love convenience. You can even clip away the cord so it doesn't get stuck underfoot. In terms of attachments, it's a little minimal. It just comes with one microfiber pad for the floor head and a descaling cartridge. There is no spare for when the pad is in the wash and nothing for carpets either. During our tests, we found that on hard floors it was very effective, with strong steam that lifts dirt with ease. There's also a descaling cartridge to tackle limescale in tap water. The machine alerts you when it's time to replace it. Number 2. Derma ZQ 600 Multifunctional. Derma ZQ 600 Multifunctional Handheld Electric Steam Vacuum Cleaner for home cleaning, portable and lightweight high-pressure steam, 230 milliliters white. This steam cleaner is designed with unique technologies for removing stains and odor while doing the complete sterilization effectively. It continuously sprays steam to easily dissolve stubborn stains from floor fabrics and more. The home steam cleaner comes with 5 different interchangeable brush heads to clean different objects, with 3-section connecting tubes, long or short, and can be adapted to different cleaning ranges. Highly portable due to its lightweight design, you can carry it while cleaning each and every area of your home without facing any kind of difficulty. Its high-temperature steam with a scouring pad can remove grease with a gentle rub. It not only cleans window seams, sink seams, and furniture seams, but can also clean smooth surfaces such as glass doors. It uses high-temperature steam to kill germs without using harmful chemicals. The high-pressure steam is made only with water that is free from any kind of chemicals, and this is how we ensure environmental protection. Number 1. Pulte PTGB 0065 Vaporetto. Pulte Vaporetto steam kills and eliminates 99.99% of viruses, germs, and bacteria. Effective and powerful 3.5 bar steam removes stubborn grime with ease. Certified to be effective against dust mites with the British Allergy Foundation seal of approval. Lightweight and ideal for quick cleaning with comfortable carry strap. Child safety steam lock. Includes a practical compartment for storage of 10 accessories for cleaning all around the home. Pulte Vaporetto, an innovation created by Pulte more than 30 years ago, continues to be a simple and natural solution for taking care of the home, saving time and effort without the use of chemicals. Lightweight with steam power of up to 3.5 bar. Pulte Vaporetto Handy 25 Plus is ideal for quick cleaning, including difficult to reach corners of the home. This powerful steam cleaner is easy to use with a comfortable shoulder strap and storage of accessories for cleaning all surface. For more details, follow the links given in the description. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and like in the videos.